This is Optimized Tube. Hello everybody, and thank you for tuning in. Today's video is a remake. Yes, that's right, I've decided to remake my original t-shirt video. Not because it's an old video, but rather because I've learned so much since then. If you haven't already, I do recommend checking it out. I'll put the link down below. I'll also put a link to my t-shirt videos playlist. Yes, I have a few. There's an inspirational slideshow at the end, so hang tight. The first thing I like to do is type in settings and make sure I've got this where I want it to be. Right now, I plan to use the latest version 5.1, but it may surprise you that most of the time I like to work with version 4 or Midjourney version 5 expressive. I recently turned on the remix mode setting for the first time, and it's a must-have from now on. I mean, I can't imagine why anyone would rather have it off. What are your thoughts on this, guys? Let me know in the comments. I really am interested. Also, while you're at it, if you don't mind, please hit the like button. Thank you. By the way, just in case you don't already know what remix mode does is, when you click the reroll button, usually Midjourney sends your prompt back through as is. But when remix mode is turned on, you are given a chance to edit your prompt before sending it back through. It's a great feature if you ask me. I don't want this video to bore you to death, so I'll skip through some of this prompting to the good stuff, since I'm kind of a slow typer. When it comes to prompting specifically for t-shirt designs, in my experience, as long as you put the words t-shirt design, it works out pretty good. I also like to add vector and 2D to my t-shirt prompts. One time I put t-shirt graphic, and it gave me 4 images of 3D t-shirts with my image on them. Kind of like mock-ups LOL, so I stick to t-shirt design because that's what works for me. Another thing I've noticed with t-shirt prompting is simple is good. I don't know, but I seem to get the very best results when I keep it short and simple. Jupiter and moons looks pretty good and easy to work with. I had to learn the hard way to keep that in mind. I'm talking about the fact that these images don't come out of Midjourney, t-shirt ready. Each one will need to be upscaled and then have the background removed. If interested, I do have a video that walks you through how to do both, using free online tools. Find the link, down there. These came out very well. I like these. After this quick demonstration on how to use ChatGPT to come up with design ideas, I have a slideshow of ideas to help inspire you. I told ChatGPT, the following is a list of t-shirt image prompt examples. I want you to come up with 25 more using different combos of art styles. Do not reuse the information in the examples, except for t-shirt design, vector, 2D, and background. I followed that with a few examples. I wasn't really impressed with what it gave me, so I told ChatGPT to make them more interesting, and I got a pretty good list of t-shirt design ideas that I was able to simply copy and paste in Midjourney. All right, guys, hopefully these will help inspire. When prompting, try words like flower power, melted, space vibes, natural lighting, pastel punk, magical underwater world, and then do the same prompt with muted colors. Try. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.